Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Thins. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix S Pen not working on Samsung. So in this case, if you're having some problems here with your S Pen here and it's not working properly on your Samsung device, well, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to go and open up your settings here, which in this case you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see the section for advanced features. So advanced features here contains different settings here that is not normally that you can actually see here on your settings page. So if you click on advanced features here, you should be able to see an option here for S Pen. Now again, you may need to scroll down a bit here until you see it depending on your device, but if you do see S Pen, go ahead and just press on it. Now, from here, you should be able to see your S Pen and insert status. You should see it currently inserted, but if you don't see it inserted, you may want to basically make sure that it's properly in there. But in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the button that you see at the top right here, and you want to choose the Reset S Pen option. Now, once you click on Reset S Pen, this will initiate process of resetting it, so you need to wait for a while here, but once it's actually done, go ahead and see if that actually helps with your issue. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Out of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.